Library rules for grades 3rd through 5th. Enter quietly and wait for instructions on where to sit. If you have a book to check in, please place it in the book drop. Do not place books on the checkout counter, on the tables, on the floor, or on the shelves. Wait for instructions from your teacher at voice level 0. Respect the speaker. Level 0 voice when the teacher or another classmate is presenting something to the class. If you need assistance, raise your hand. Do not ask to use the restroom unless it is an emergency. Respect library equipment. No eating or drinking in the library. No gum or candy in the library. Take care of books so others can use them also. Take care of all computer equipment. Use proper checkout procedures. Always use shelf markers when looking for books. Do not use shelf markers as swords or to hit other people or things. If you find a book in the wrong place, put it in the book drop so it can be put away properly. Use your barcode to check out books. Sit in your assigned seat and read quietly. Respect one another. Always use an appropriate voice level for the activity we are doing at the time. For direct instruction, level 0. Silent reading, level 0. Group work, level 1. Checkout time, level 1. No running, pushing, fighting, or horseplaying of any kind will be allowed. Materials and equipment. Books may be borrowed for 2 weeks. If no one is waiting for the book, you may renew the book once. Students with overdue, lost, or damaged books will not be able to check out until the books have been returned or paid for. Computer use. Computers may be used on a first-come, first-served basis. Computers may be used for searching the library catalog or for educational research when approved by your teacher. Computers may not be used to play games. Take care of your library books. Always have clean hands when you read. Do not eat or drink when reading. Keep books away from small children, pets, and sources of water. Don't try to repair your book. If your book is damaged, let Ms. Reina know ASAP. Always use a bookmark. Don't bend pages down. Always bring your own books back to the library. Books you check out are your responsibility. Don't let anyone borrow your book. If you take your book home, carry it in a backpack. Return it to the backpack after you read. Keep up with your books. We only have one copy of many titles. It is very frustrating to read several books in a series only to find that someone has lost the next one you need. If you move, return your books to the library before you leave or give them to the librarian at your new school. Thank you.